All new Nintendo 3D Slug. It's fabulous. It's got 3D eye vision. It's absolutely super ultra 3D realistic. Comes with all the included accessories, the warranty, the 1-inch thick manual. In case you're a rocket scientist, you can figure this out of how to play this. And the power adapter, the power dock, and the factory box. Bid on yours while supplies last. Only one available.
It's the Acer Slug. An ace that is a sluggity slug. The Acer Slug is the mini netbook that's been microwaved to perfection, becoming the Acer Slug in an evolutionary process. Get yours out or else. Slug. You've got to get your Blender Slug today before it's too late. Blender Slug, the most beautiful high-powered slug. A Blender Slug is what you need because you never knew you ever needed it. Breaker, CB Slug. That's the right way to communicate with the truckers out there. You just gotta have your CB Slug. Breaker, we got that CB Slug for you. Breaker, the CB Slug is here for you to communicate the right way with your trucking friends. And it's the best Ugga Slug, the best way to communicate. Yonkity, come Predator Slug. The slug with all the air pressures. Yonkity, gonk. Yonkity, come Predator Slug. Come Predator Slug, the full pressurized slug. That is the competitor slug of them all. Gun, competitor slug.
The local slug. Yeah. You gotta do it with a slug. Go, yeah. You guys know what
Gangster slug. Gangster slug. Gangster slug. The fastest slug. Slug. Gangster slug. Gangster slug. We're gonna get off with the gangster slug. Gangster slug. Gangster slug. We'll take you to another world, beautiful place. Just gonna hop over the gangster slug. The big slimy gangster slug. It's just like for you to take off to another world in the gangster slug. Just gotta love the bug that's in the gangster slug. Gangster slug. You can find evil in the gangster slug. Gangster slug. You can gangster slug. You gotta have a do the gangster slug. If you like film, it's safe for the gangster slug. Even if you drew all over the gangster slug. You can do like 55 million in the gangster slug. The sluggiest, fastest thing in the gangster slug. Gangster slug is the best meal ever. Hop aboard the gangster slug. No orders. I grind their slug. I grind their slug. It's the dazzling all-powerful blue. I grind the slug. The bags in the grinding slug. I can see into any corner. In the dash, I grind all the way. I grind the slug. The most durable power slug. And the slug for a man, 44, 89 man.
AI map slug. IMAX slug is a limited edition slug. It's only while supplies last on eBay, so get yours now or else you will be slugified.
Flash slug is flashing. Flashing slug is a flashing slug. Flash slug. You gotta have your flash slug. You gotta have your flash slug. Get your flash slug. Get your flash slug. It's going to go fast. Gotta get your flash slug. 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 Get your flash slug now or now. Gotta get your flash slug now.
Ever got lost? Ever wondered where you are? Well, your worries are over with a global positioning device on the slug. Again, let me repeat myself exactly what I said. It's a global positioning satellite slug known as the GPS slug. Along, global positioning satellite slug, only yours for 1964. Dun 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 dun. Slug. The gun slug. The gun slug. Gun slugs are for smart people, while guns are for crazy clowns. Gun slugs are for smart people, so you better get your gun slug, because you never know when you're gonna need your gun slug. It is one small step for humanity and one big leap for humanity. Is the invention of the gun slug, The gun slug, the most exquisite, perfect form of engineered gunnery ever created in a compact slug, the best kind of slug. The gun slug, the gun slug. Remember, guns are for bears.
It's so
Microwaving a microwave has never been better. Microwaving a microwave has never been better. It's the best way to spend your day is microwaving a microwave. Then you get a very big surprise. What's known as the iWavotron slug. The iWavotron slug. The iWavotron slug. The iWavotron slug, the iWavotron slug. A microwave's best friend is the iWavotron slug. The iWavotron slug holds a very special surprise in it. The iWavotron slug, the iWavotron slug is a microwave's best friend. The iWavotron slug. You can spend the day with it. You can swing with it. You can love it. It's your very nicest microwave. The iWavotron slug. The iWavotron slug. You must have the iWavotron slug. You will have the iWavotron slug. You will have no other choice but to own that. Slug, a delightful slug that can destroy and squish bugs with a simple slug of fine other bugs. Oh, aga goo gum baba ga boga yinda goo la goo da goo da goo da dee da goo 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 ga 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 goo ga ga. Insect a slug, it's like it's in its natural habitat. It's so wonderlicious, like it's going on a Ferris wheel. Go Mario, go round roller coaster action, only with a slug. Yeah. Whoa, what a beautiful thing a slug can be. Insecto slug that can destroy bugs, the insectoway. You know who, I know who, it's that Jack in the capacitor slug. Oh, yippee, he loves you like you love him. It's that Jack in the capacitor slug. It's a Jack in the capacitor slug. Chickasaw, chicka, 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 chickasaw, chicka, 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 chickasaw is now. Oh, chicka slug, chicka slug, chicka, 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 chicka slug, chicka slug, chicka slug, chicka slug can be yours for only 21,111. Or less than a couple of ones.
Presenting my latest work, this is the Kazuna encounter of a third kind slug. It's the kind of encounter you don't want to have. I think that this slug turned out so perfect, I'm gonna keep it for myself. That's right, no one else gets it.
It's the micro-optic slug, a slug of the microscopic world. The micro-optic slug. It's gonna be a slug full of microcosms.
Introducing the Nintendo slug, the most highest resolution slug the world has ever seen. The Nintendo slug, the Nintendo slug. It's good in your refrigerator and good with your creepy, crawly, creditar creatures of the yaka yaka yaka. The Nintendo Slug DS is great for your microwaving. The Nintendo Slug will appear anywhere in your barbecue or in your face or in your Nintendo Slug. The Nintendo Slug, born from the Yuga dial worm of microwaving. The Nintendo Slug, the Nintendo Slug. It's the most state-of-the-art Nintendo Slug, perfect with your extraterrestrial reindeer. The Nintendo Slug, the Nintendo Slug DS. The Nintendo Slug has 2 dioptric screens coming from the audio-visual component of your internal mouthpiece. The Nintendo Slug, the Nintendo Slug. It's your very best bet of a portable slug. Nintendo Slug is the best slug you will ever have. Nintendo Slug, yeah, 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 yeah.
Boom, 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 boom,
Conkers and bonkers when you just gotta have a jolly. Chonkers, conkers and bonkers, conkers and bonkers when you gotta have a jolly chonkers. A very, very bonkers when it comes to donkers being bonkers on the Power Slug.
Power slugs, power slugs, pow, 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 bang and bang and bang, boom, shum, power slug, the most powerful slug in the
offering my professionally microwaved PS4, and it's going to come with the power cords microwaved right onto it, the controller, the original factory box, and the warranty. Plus, as an added bonus, I'm throwing in an underwear skull. Plus, as an extra added bonus, you're going to also be getting an eyeball toad. Look at how fantastically crafted this is. Even one of its eyeballs sunk in. Only $11,151.31.
Rock and roll slug, rock and roll slug. You gotta rock and roll with the slug. Rock and roll slug. You gotta rock the sky with the rock and roll slug. Only the mere 9,000 can make the rock and roll slug. Rock like you never rocked before. You gotta rock and roll the world with a rock and roll slug. Rock and roll slug. You gotta win the game when it comes to the rock and roll slug. You gotta be the biggest, hear it with the rock and roll slug. There is nothing quite like the rock and roll slug. Rock and roll slug. Rock and roll slug. Slug, roto slug. It's the roto slug. The slug with many RPMs. RPMs, revolution per minute. In a slug of fire. Roto slug. Roto slug. That's a roto slug!
Shutterbug slug, shutterbug slug, shutterbug slug.
Skate the skater slug. Gotta go skate the skater slug. I want to skate the skater slug. I really want to skate the skater slug. You gotta skate the skater slug. I really gotta skate the skater slug. And you know you really want to skate the skater slug too. Gotta go skate the skater slug. Gotta skate the skater slug. Really go skate the skater slug. I really want to skate the skater slug, but only if it will let me skate the skater slug. Skate the skater slug. Really gotta skate the skater slug. I really gotta skate the skater slug. I really want to skate the skater slug. It's only my turn. It's only my turn. Only to skate the skater slug. Gotta still skate the skater slug. And I'm not gonna let you skate the skater slug, because I got the skater slug all to myself.
I just got slugged by the slug boy, the slug boy. It's so out of focus. It's just come all so clear to me that it is the slug boy. The 0-bit gaming slug is a slug boy. A bootable boy, a bootable boy, the slug boy. Boom 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 boom, bunk bunk dun dun dun. Get your slug boy now or else.
Stun slug. Stun slug. Your best self-defense slug. You can own for only $5.51. Stun slug, stun slug, stun slug. Stun slug. Stun the bad guys with your stun slug. Stun slug, stun slug, stun slug. You gotta get the stun slug. The stun slug is your best personal defense weapon against horrible monsters and creepy crawlies of an uncontrollable stun slug, stun slug, stun slug, stun slug. Gotta get the stun slug, gotta get the stun slug. Don't leave home without it. You must have the stun slug, stun slug, stun slug. Stun slug is your best personal #1 defense. Stun slug, stun slug.
It's Vision Python Slug! Vision Python Slug! Finding your way to your fridge in the nearest refrigerator of Refrigerator Land. It's Vision Python Slug! You gotta have one in your refrigerator, fridge, and Refrigerator Land. Gotta have the Vision Python Slug! The Vision Python Slug! You must have the Vision Python Slug! Gotta have the Vision Python Slug in your refrigerator! Complete with your grade A eggs. It is absolutely a delicious
Vita Slug, Vita Slug, Vita Slug, yippity 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 bibbity bibbity bippity yippity 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 yippity. It's the PSP Vita Slug, Vita Slug, Vita Slug. It's been microwaved, microwaved. It's produced the Vita Slug with the box included. Yours for only $1,111.51 while supplies last.
For your owning pleasure, I'm going to be selling my microwave Xbox One. It's the whole entire system, literally. You're going to get the Kinect, the headset, the power cord, and the console. It's the Xbox One Slug. Look at how amazing that is. Plus, as an extra added bonus, I'm going to be including a cute little bunny made out of dental denture cast. Look at that. It's so amazing. This is part of a limited time offer. $1.30.
It's an Xbox, an Xbox. It's 360 square to microwave into the Xbox Slim Slug, Xbox Slim Slug. It's so jolly, Xbox 360 Slim Slug.
Xbox 360 slug. Xbox 360 slug. Xbox 360 slug. Xbox 360 slug. Yeah, 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 yeah. Xbox 360 slug. Get yours today. Only one left.
As part of a limited time offer, your professional microwave operator will be offering his professionally microwaved 2DS.
Boy!
Like a boom boom price.